who killed 6-year-old Oshane Banton, dumped his body in a sewage tank, and what could be the possible reason behind this gruesome attack on an innocent 6-year-old. Viewers and subscribers, sad days in Jamaica again, people. And right now, I'm not only tired, but me sick and tired of them kind of incident here. You get me? I say, this one moved me to the core, and I have to talk about it. So, people, before going on something, just support my thing by clicking subscribe, turn the post notification on, like this video, and make sure you follow me on Instagram at Jamaican Drama 1. Alright, viewers, so for the persons that were in a suspense, Oshane Banton was reported missing on Friday, November 13, around 3:30 p.m. Friday the 13th, rather, after his mother failed to locate him upon her return home. A search launched to find the missing boy ended in tragedy on Saturday, November 14, when his lifeless body was found at a sewage pond in Lionel Town, Clarendon. So, viewers, the mother's account is that she left her son in the care of his grandmother while she went to pay some bills. No, she never left the child alone. She left the child in the care of an adult, right? No, people, but no want to hear the saddest part or the saddest thing about the story. Zine, before the mother leave, the home, the baby go to her and say, "Mommy, carry me with you, Mommy, please carry me with you." And the mother say, "Yo, baby, my son come, man. I say, pay some bill and come back. Stay with your grandmother." Zine, and even at the point where she about to leave, the child go to the grandmother and say, "Grandma, ask Mama if you carry me with her, please." And the mother refused to carry the child up on the road, not knowing, say, better should carry him go on, because maybe he'll be alive today. People, the one are really touching, you see me? So mom go pay her bill and do her errands on the road and come back and realize, say, Oshane not about the place. So she start make text one around the area, can't find Oshane. Up in an even she go make a report at the station, a missing person report. Investigation start, search launch, them not find the baby the whole night. Now, at this point, the mother knew that something was definitely wrong, because she said that this is not the norm for Oshane to just leave the yard and wander off anywhere, because this is not the first she's leaving him home in the care of his grandmother, right? So at that point, she knew something must have been wrong, Zine, but she wasn't expecting the worst. She never thinks, say, at any means that she'd have found her picnic dead in a sewage pan. So I could ask the question again, what could be the motive behind this gruesome killing, right? Based on the mother's account, she said that she not have no feud or no affliction with nobody. She not own nobody no money, right? She not do nobody nothing. And she said the child is a well-behaved child. So what could be the reason? What kind of art them people have, Zane? And based on what she's saying, right? She's saying that there are marks of violence on the child's body. There are bruises. The child's face is swollen. So clearly, somebody might lick him in the head or something and dash him in the pan. But what could be the reason, right, why somebody would want to hurt an innocent child, even though this is not the first case? And this is why I'm sick and tired, because of several cases. See the Shantae Sky's case over there? Look, a 6-year-old who come from school and rape her and kill her and dash her body in a bush against garbage. See, another Dean case there too. Similar cases. And those cases are still unsolved. So what is really happening? What is happening for the future of our country? So people say, "Can never kill our pit them," and it just happen and nobody not do nothing about it, and nobody not come out about it. This is very touching, and it's full time the citizens of Jamaica come together and protect the children, the nation builders, the future nation builders, right? And viewers and subscribers, most of the times when them thing happen, is somebody where they pin them know. I carry them and go kill them off, somebody where the children them know and probably have trust, right? And them just lead them away because them young and naive and do what them want to do with them and kill them because they don't want to go back to talk. You see me? Now can you imagine how the mother, how she feel in herself? Right now she must have blame herself, because she must have said if she just carry her picnic with her, chances are that he'll be alive today. Eh? She must have nightmares. She can't live with herself after this. Boy, viewers and subscribers, we don't know, but we need to be our brothers keepers. We need to go back to the days when community used to protect children and female and the elderly. And when we get so wicked and heartless. What is really happening in the world today? Boy, I don't know. Anyway, people, as me always say, I like to hear opinions and suggestions, whatever you think in the comment section, right? If you know anything at all about the case and you want to share it with the viewers and the subscribers them, please feel free if you just drop something in the comment section so we can talk about it. Zine, thanks for taking the time to watch my video again, people. Click subscribe, please. Click subscribe, like the video, turn the post notification on. Until next time, people. One love, blessings all the time.